So we're going to add an item to the website, and we are also going to add an item that actually has different colors. And so we want to be able to hover over different color swatches and be able to see what that item would look like in different colors. So in order to do that, when you're in your dashboard, you want to go to Products, and the first thing we're going to do in an item that has different colors is first go to Attributes. So now that we're in Attributes, I'm going to create an attribute for the item. Now the item that I'm putting in is an Ergo Original Colors. So this could be, t-shirt ABC colors or any other variation. It could actually be different sizes. So say you have, a Funky Monkey t-shirt and you have it in small, medium, and large, or, size 0 to 6 months, 6 months to 18 months, or whatever. This could say Funky Monkey t-shirt sizes, but in this case we're putting in Ergo Original Colors. Now the slug is just the URL friendly version, and so we're going to put the same thing, except it's all going to be lowercase and we have to have hyphens because this is how it would appear in a URL. Now I'm just going to simply go Add Attribute, and I'm finished creating my attribute. So now I'm going to go under Products again and click on Add Product. And now I will type the name of my product. And the description is not going to go in this main box here. You're going to go a little bit lower to where it says Product Short Description, and here's, I'm going to put a description of my product. So here's my old website. We're going to copy the information on this carrier. Just going to make sure this is the one I want here. And so I'm going to just copy these features from the old website, put them in my short description, and we would like to add a video. So I'm simply going to, I want to bring this up on YouTube, so I have to click on the YouTube button of the video. And now that I'm here, I'm going to click on Share. Let's just turn this down. Going to click on Embed, and there's the code that I am looking for. I'm simply going to copy that, come on over here, and I'm going to click Insert Shortcode and go over to Media. From there, I want an embedded video, and I'll put the code in. I'll just paste that in right there. Click Insert Shortcode, and now there should be a video that will play once we've published the page. So the other thing I'm going to do right now while I'm at it, before we add all those attributes, I'm going to choose the category. And so here we go, baby carriers and accessories. It's not necessary in this case, but I'm going to just choose the top level as well, just in case I want to look at all my top level category items. But right now in this example, it's only necessary to put it in the main category that it's going into, which for us is baby carriers and accessories. I'm going to set the product image, and I've already uploaded a bunch of the images. And the way that I did that is I went to the old site. Let's just get back to it here. Oh dear. Okay, back to the old site, and I simply clicked on any of the items. I'm going to just go to one of the originals that I'm after. And I'm just going to right click, save the image, and that's the image I'm going to use later. But in this case right now, I am simply going to choose one of the ones I've already uploaded. And it's just paused for me here for a moment. So let's choose this one. And so now it's under my product image. And now I'm going to add some gallery photos. And now I'm going to upload some new images. So I'll click on Upload Files, and here you can select anything that is on your computer, like the image that I just saved. And I'm going to select all of the images. And everything is just slowing down here for a minute. And here they are. Okay, so all of the images are going to begin their upload now. And one by one they will be ready. And we're just about there. Okay, and all of our images are ready. And now I'm going to choose the ones for my gallery. So in order to do that, I'm going to just take off the duplicates, but you can see here, this one is only 160 by 160. Here is where you find your image size. Now that is much too small. I'm going to just remove that. This one here, 307, it's a little on the small side, but we will keep it. And we're just going to go through and see which ones are actually suitable. We will keep that one, which means we will get rid of this other one. Keep that one. Get rid of this small one here. And we'll just add those for now. And it didn't seem to add a bunch of them, so let's just choose one more. And we'll go into another product where you can see I've added several images just so that we can move along here. So now that we've added our category, our description, video, our product image, and our product gallery, now it's time to add additional information on the product, such as the color variations, as well as the prices. So up here, it's important under product data to choose variable product. Now we must go under the attributes, and we are going to choose the Ergo original colors. You'll see any of the attributes that you've added. Click on add. And now we need to name the colors. I'm just going to add a few of them for now, just so that the video is not too long and redundant. So I am pretty sure that I have one called Marine. Yes, I do. Okay, so we're going to type in Marine. And for some reason, it does not want to add. There we go. Okay, so now that I've clicked it, I'm going to type in Marine into the little pop-up window. And now you see I've added it under Marine. So let's add another one of our colors. We will add, the night sky. And now it has popped up. So night sky. And I believe we have one called Dewdrops. We've got a starburst. And yes, there's a dewdrops. And we'll just do those for now. So I'm going to save those attributes. Oh, and one little thing I missed there. Used for variations should be checked, so just make sure that is saved. And now I'm going to go under my variations. And I'll say create variations from all attributes and go. Click the OK on the dialog box and OK once more. And now it's opened up a variation for all 4 of the colors that I've added. So when you hover over any one of the lines, you'll see this little menu that can open up. And once we do that, you'll see that this one is for starburst. So we want to add the starburst color. So I am going to simply click on the image. And let's choose this one right here. So now you see we've got our little image. And I'm going to put the price in. And the price is very important, even if they are all the same price. Okay, so now we're going to go down to night sky. We're going to open that up. And we're going to get a picture of night sky. And we'll put our price in for night sky. And you could, of course, put a sale price in if you like. If you manage the stock through your website, so for instance, you know exactly how many you have, you put the amount in here, you can choose that. You could put the SKU in if you do have a SKU and the weight, of course, for shipping. If this product should have a different description, for instance, this is a cute little carrier with some stars on it versus the other ones which are plain, you could put a little description as to that variation. For now, we're just going to move along to the other ones. Just going to make sure that I have the right one here. I'm looking for marine. And uncheck that one. I believe it's over here. Yes, it is. There's my image. And my marine color. Or sorry, my marine price is $169.99. And now I've got dewdrops. Now this could also be done if you have sizes and colors, and you simply would have done what I did 2 times, and now you'd actually see our dewdrops here, and then you'd also see a size right beside it. And that works really well if you are managing stock through the website, because then you do want to know how many sizes and colors you have of each size. Okay, so this one is for dewdrops. And we just have to add in our price for dewdrops. And that one looks like it's 140. I'm going to save all of these changes. And now I'm going to come up and I'm going to publish the product. And I can either click View Product at the top black bar here, or View Product right here on this little button. Either one of those will work. I will go back and just edit this product a little bit by changing some of the gallery images and stuff, but I just want to show you what we have so far. Oh, and it looks like I've cut off the F for features, so I'll go back in and fix that. Now you can see it's updated the prices to contain all the different prices within the different variations. Here you have the different images that we've added to the gallery, and you can just simply scroll through all of those different images should you decide to do that. And you've got the video, which we embedded, and now we've got the different colors. Oh, I forgot one thing. We want the swatches. So because I've forgotten that, you can go back in and you can edit at any time. So let's just show you how we do that. We're going to go back and click on Edit Product. And one thing I'm going to do before I forget is I'm just going to scroll down to my short description. And let's add that F before we forget. All right, and let's just go up to swatches here. Now, under swatches, under the product data, I'm going to click on the Ergo Original Colors, and from here, I need to go Custom Colors and Images, and now I'm able to go to each of the 4 colors that I've added. So I could either choose just simply a color that would represent this color dewdrops, or in this case, I'm going to choose an image. So let's go to my image for dewdrops. And in this case, I've already uploaded it, so I'm gonna go to Media Library, and let's look for dewdrops, and click on the Show button. And now that I've clicked on the Show button, I'll go Insert into Post. Now you're going to do the same thing with the one directly below it. So instead of color, we're going to choose Image. And let's just see which color we're actually doing. We are doing Marine. So again, Media Library. And we must find the Marine. And there it is. So click on Show, and from there, Insert into Post. And next one is Night Sky. Choosing an image, upload the image, which again, if we wanted to pick another image off our computer, we simply go select Files. In this case, Media Library is all that we need. And I'm looking for Night Sky, Show, and Insert into Post. Now, it would be far more ideal if all of these images were the same size. You could use any image editing program on your computer. If you don't have anything on your computer, you can go to pixlr.com/editor. And using that, I wasn't paying attention to what one I'm adding here, Starburst. Using that, you could resize all of your images so that they're the same. I would recommend doing them about 500 by 500 pixels. Night Sky and Show, and then Insert into Post. So now that I've made those changes, I can simply click the Update button. And make sure you don't navigate away from that page before you see that everything's finished. So sometimes you have an indication on the tab itself that it's still spinning around. Sometimes down here it'll say waiting for the URL. Now that it's finished, I'm going to View Product. And you can see I fixed my F here. And let's go down to our swatches. Now you can see our original colors, and you'll see a different swatch for each of those. And when I click on these, you'll see that the larger image up here will change depending on the one that I'm clicking on. So again, you could use just a plain old color swatch, or you could actually use an image like we've done here so that people could actually see that. For instance, this one has the cute little stars on it. It's not just simply a black. So I hope that makes sense for you. One quick thing I wanted to show you as well. So when you go into the shop menu, because we put it in the category, I just want to show you what it is in the category. So I believe this is